In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and set permissions in HubSpot, making your team management a breeze. Let's dive into this straightforward process and get your team all set up. First, we need to access the trial guide. Simply open up HubSpot and navigate to the trial guide for the August Sales Hub Professional. This is where we'll begin our journey of adding users to your platform. Once there, you need to look over to the upper right corner and locate the Settings icon. Click on it, and this will take us into the core settings of your HubSpot account. Now that you're in Settings, look to your left navigation bar. We're going to find and click on Users and Teams. This section is key as it's where you'll manage all your user permissions and team settings. Inside this section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once comfortable, find the Create User button and click on it. This is the starting point for bringing new users onto your platform. Next, we're prompted to enter email addresses. Click on Email Address AES and type in the email of the person you want to add. You can add multiple emails if you're adding several new users at once. It's quite intuitive. Once you've entered the necessary email addresses, proceed by hitting the Next button. This moves us forward in the process. Now let's delve into seat assignments. After clicking on Seat Assignment, you'll see various roles and permissions you can assign to each user. Carefully consider what each new user needs access to, whether it be admin privileges, editing capabilities, or strictly view-only access, to align with your business requirements. Customizing these options is crucial for maintaining security and efficiency. Once you've configured the seat assignment to your liking, click on Next. This almost brings us to the finish line. This page will allow you to review everything you've set up so far to ensure that nothing was overlooked or misconfigured. Finally, if you're satisfied with your settings, click on Create User. HubSpot takes over from here, sending out email invitations to your new users, enabling them to start using HubSpot immediately. And there you have it, a user-friendly and systematic way to add users and set their permissions in HubSpot. By following these steps, you ensure that your team can efficiently utilize HubSpot's robust features while maintaining control over who has access to what. Remember, proper user management not only facilitates collaboration, but also enhances productivity and security for your organization. If you have any more questions about HubSpot functions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to explore HubSpot's knowledge base or contact their support team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy HubSpotting.